Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping and making the first stroke now. Clean the area with an alcohol wipe and let it dry so paint adheres. Twist the paint stick up about 1/8 to 1/4 inch and test on scrap to gauge flow and softness. Position your wrist to hold the stick at a 45 degrees angle for smooth, broad coverage. Once done, apply a confident, even stroke in your planned direction. This prevents drag and builds a solid foundation for layering. Now build coverage and blend. Apply thin layers with controlled pressure, because multiple light passes give an even film without cracking. Once a layer is down, wait about 30 to 60 seconds before the next pass so the pigment sets slightly and you avoid clumps. Use back and forth strokes for even filling and small circular motions when softening transitions. Make sure to blend edges with a dry, soft brush or a fingertip. This removes finish and troubleshoot. Feather the final layer thinly and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then inspect color and texture under good light. If you see gaps or thin spots, apply small dots of paint stick and blend immediately. Avoid heavy reapplication, which creates ridges. For thin streaks, use a tiny amount of solvent on a swab only if needed. If the area stays tacky or uneven after cure, gently buff with fine cloth or recoat lightly. This resolves surface irregularities without removing previous work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.